Welcome to the Blazor PDF Viewer component tutorial. This control allows viewing, annotating, printing, and downloading PDF files in Blazor applications without requiring a separate server-side service. Some of the key features of the PDF Viewer include accurate and reliable PDF page rendering, easy page navigation, and core interactions. You can also print PDF files, add annotations, and more. In this video, I will show you how to get started with the Syncfusion Blazor PDF Viewer component. You will learn how to create a Blazor Web App, install the PDF Viewer and themes, register the Syncfusion Blazor service, and integrate the PDF Viewer component. You can create a Blazor Web App using either Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. I will be using Visual Studio 2022. Make sure you have the .NET SDK installed. Now, let me show you how to create a Blazor Web App in Visual Studio. I open Visual Studio and select Create a New Project from the dashboard. From the list of templates, I choose Blazor Web App and click Next to continue. Then, I enter the project name and click Next again. I proceed with the default configuration and click Create to generate the application. Next, install the Blazor PDF Viewer package in the application. I will open the NuGet Package Manager and go to the Browse tab. I search for a Syncfusion Blazor SF PDF Viewer package. Click Install, and choose Apply to add the package to the solution. I accept the license agreement. To install the Syncfusion theme package, I search for Syncfusion Blazor themes. Click Install. Then, I open the Imports Razor file and import Syncfusion Blazor and Syncfusion Blazor SF PDF Viewer namespaces. Next, open the program CS file and import the Syncfusion Blazor namespace to use Syncfusion components in the application. I add the Signal R service, which is used for real-time communication. I also add the memory cache service to improve application performance. I register the Syncfusion Blazor service, which is required for rendering Syncfusion components in the app. To avoid the license validation message in the output, I register the Syncfusion license key using the register license method. To find out where to generate the license key, please refer to the link in the description below. Then, I open the AppRaiser file. In the Head section, add the required style sheet reference for the PDF Viewer theme. In the Body section, add the script reference required for the Syncfusion PDF Viewer component. Next, to add the Syncfusion Blazor PDF Viewer component, I open the Home Razor page and remove the default template code. Then, set the render mode to Interactive Server. If the interactivity location is configured as global when the application is created, the render mode is defined in the app.razor file by default. I initialize the PDF Viewer component. Inside it, I configure Document Path, which specifies the path of the PDF document to be loaded, and set the height and width properties of the PDF Viewer. I save and run the application. As you can see, the PDF document is loaded successfully and is displayed in the viewer along with the built-in toolbar. Next, let me show you some of the key features of the PDF Viewer. The PDF Viewer supports a wide range of annotations. When I click the Edit Annotations button, the secondary toolbar opens, providing various annotation options. It supports text markup annotations such as highlight, underline, strike through, and squiggly. It also supports shape annotations, including line, arrow, rectangle, circle, and polygon. For measurement and calibration purposes, distance, perimeter, area, radius, and volume annotations, in addition to free text, stamp, signature, and ink annotations. Let me show you how to create one of these annotations. To highlight text, click the Highlight Text option on the annotation toolbar and select the text that I want to highlight. See, the selected text is highlighted. You can also add text markup annotations through the text selection pop-up. I select the text that I want to annotate, and a context menu appears with the available annotation options. From the menu, I choose the squiggly annotation, and it is applied to the selected text. Next, I will show you how to fill forms in a PDF document. I open the form document using the Open File option in the toolbar. PDF Viewer supports filling and modifying form fields in the document. Next, to create and design fillable PDF forms interactively using the toolbar, I click Edit Form Fields, which opens the Form Designer toolbar. The PDF Viewer supports various form fields, including button, text box, password, checkbox, radio button, drop-down, list box, and signature fields. To add a text form field to the PDF, click the text box icon and place it in the area where the form field is needed. Similarly, you can add any of the available form fields from the toolbar. Here is the completed PDF with all the form fields added. Now, I will show you how to navigate pages using a different PDF document. The toolbar provides options to navigate through the document using the Show First Page, Show Previous Page, Show Next Page, and Show Last Page buttons. When I click the Show First Page button, the viewer navigates to the beginning of the document. The Show Next Page button navigates to the next page, the Show Previous Page button to the previous page, and the Show Last Page button to the final page of the document. The toolbar also includes a page number text box. When I enter a specific page number, the viewer navigates to the desired page. The PDF Viewer also supports bookmark navigation. When I click the Bookmarks button on the toolbar, a panel opens displaying the available bookmarks in the document. I select the bookmark I want, and it navigates to the corresponding location in the document. It also supports Table of Contents navigation. I click an item in the contents list, and it navigates directly to the associated section. In addition, the PDF Viewer provides page thumbnail navigation. When I click the Page Thumbnails button, a panel opens displaying thumbnail previews of the document pages. I select a thumbnail, and it navigates to the corresponding page. Lastly, let me perform a text search in the PDF Viewer. I click the Find Text button on the toolbar, enter the text that I want to search for, and then click the search icon. As you can see, all matching occurrences are highlighted in the document. The search feature also provides options to navigate to the next and previous search results. In addition, it includes a match case option. When I enable the match case checkbox, the search results are limited to case-sensitive matches. That's all for this video. I have shown you how to get started with the Syncfusion Blazor PDF Viewer. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to learn how to obtain a free license key for our PDF Viewer SDK if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.